YouTube changed my life, but not in the way most people think. Not because I became popular, not because I got paid, but because it became the mirror I didn't know I needed. Let me tell you all a little story about this journey of mine. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Hey y'all, Chantel here, the curator of this channel. For this video, I like to double as either your big or your little sister, whichever comes first for you, or your age mate, I don't know. Thank you all so much for clicking to watch. If you haven't already, please do well to join the Chantel Nation family by clicking on the subscribe button, that one right here, and the bell icon next to it so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. If you enjoy watching this video at the end, please signify by giving it a thumbs up. If it inspires you in a way, leave a comment as well and share with your friends and family members. All right, thank you so much. Yo, we're filming in a different background. My vlog explains it, but this space is owned by Photoville Studio. I'll leave her handle on the screen. Go check her out. If you're in Port Harcourt and you're looking for a space to film amazing content. Our staff are so friendly. Sarah herself is an amazing person. You should patronize them and come here and film. I digress. Let's get into the video. When I started my YouTube channel in 2019, I was just a girl. I'm just a girl. I was just a girl with a Nikon D3300 DSLR. Zero editing skills, but I had a dream. Yes, a dream to make women feel confident in their own skin through my fashion content. I did not have a roadmap, just curiosity, faith, and a voice I wasn't even sure anybody wanted to hear. My first videos were let's just say interesting. Lighting was off, sound was echoing, and my editing, let's not even talk about that. But I kept showing up, and somehow every upload felt like a small step closer to purpose. Slowly but surely, growth came, but it did not look like I had imagined. Instead of overnight success, I got slow, steady transformation, aka growth. Let's not even talk about how long it took me to get monetized. A whole year and some months. Even after I reached the milestone, getting my pin was another battle that took months. With this experience, I learned discipline and kept showing up when no one was clapping yet. I also learned confidence, the kind that comes from purpose, not praise. Then one day, someone commented, "You're so inspiring." Wow. That day was the day I would say everything shifted, because I realized that this journey wasn't about me anymore. I was building a community. The brand collaborations and partnerships started rolling in. I remember vividly the first day I got my first international brand collaboration. I thought it was a spam email. I thought it was hackers. But with my tech background, I was able to verify that it was from a legit source. After that, more and more international companies started reaching out, and I was just in awe at how much they were willing to pay me, to create content for them. Remember, this all happened from just sitting in front of a camera, just like this, and yapping away. Alongside the upsides came a lot of downsides that a lot of YouTubers shy away from talking about. It is how lonely being a creator can get. You pour your heart into content, and sometimes the algorithm doesn't care. You question yourself, am I good enough? Should I keep going? There were days I wanted to quit. On God, I was done with this. I wanted to sell my gear and just keep it moving, try something else. Days when the views were so low but the pressure was high. But one thing remained constant. Anytime I doubted myself, someone new would find my channel and comment that is, "I really needed this video." And it hit me on one of those occasions that maybe YouTube wasn't testing my talent, it was actually building my character. Fast forward to 2022, then came the email that changed everything. Congratulations, you have been selected for the 2023 YouTube Black Voices Fund. Hey, me, Kelechi Chantel Ayao, from Umuahia in Abia State, Nigeria. You all, thousands of creators applied around the world. Only 173 were chosen. Hold on. Out of that number, only 14 were Nigerians, and this girl was part of that list. In that moment, I realized something powerful, and that is representation matters. Because when one of us rises, we remind others that they can rise as well. Hence my filming this video. YouTube has taught me lessons I couldn't have learned from anywhere. Number one, consistency beats confidence. Sometimes you won't feel ready, but just do it anyway. Number two, your story is your superpower. Someone out there needs the version of you that is still learning. And number three, it is purpose over perfection. That imperfect video that inspired someone one is better than the perfect one that never left your drafts. That being said, I would add that YouTube is not just a platform, it is a classroom. And every upload is a new lesson in patience, humility, and impact. With all I've said, you may assume that I mean YouTube changed my life because of numbers, views, subscribers, brand deals. But you're wrong. Because the truth is, it changed my perspective. It taught me to see beauty in process, not perfection. It gave me community, aka my dearest Chantel Nation. Someone who found healing in my honesty. So yeah, YouTube changed my life, but not because it made me famous, but because it made me fulfilled. I did something I wanted to do without any external input. I did it for me. I started my YouTube channel for me because I wanted to do it. And if you're watching this wondering if your voice matters, it definitely 100%, 1000% does. Don't ever doubt yourself. I don't know what the next phase of this journey holds for me. Heck, I've not even been the best example lately in terms of my consistency, but we're working on that. Let this video be your cue if you've been struggling with the thought of becoming a digital content creator, aka a YouTuber. It's not easy, but it is worth it. Do not wait for the right camera or the right moment. Just start. Because you never know, your story might be the one that changes someone else's life. I am Kelechi Chantel Ayahu, and this is proof that purpose always finds its platform. Thank you all so much for watching, and until I come your way again, stay amazing. Mwah. Bye y'all.
Yeah, it's your homegirl Chantel, and you know I really like your style. Outfits, yeah, they always on fleek, but you in a new product to ignite your smile. Blow a kiss, she like that crowd. Yeah, living her dreams, amazing. And don't care what they think, for the ones that she loves, she go hard in the paint. Up in the ring and she styling. She always gonna ride, and you know that we vibing. Come join, yeah, I hope you subscribed in. New videos weekly, she vlog for her peoples whenever she go to the islands. Self-development shown in the content, yeah, she helping you lift up your conscience. Whoa, this is Chantel, but you already know. This Chantel, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it.